We're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to sets, and I think we are here, which, let's see, 4.2. Yeah, I believe that's it. All right. Looks a lot like 4.1, actually. Okay, so in the last problem, I hit clear before we could check the answer, but we checked it anyway. So what's going on here? Well, let's actually scroll down and let's choose some colors here and do that. We have A union B union C. And what we're going to do first is what's in parentheses first, and then we'll take the union with the rest of it. Okay? So A union B. So this means, remember, we just join what's in both A and B, join them together. Okay? But we don't repeat elements. So we have a T, a Q, an E. Now you notice we have an E over here, so we don't write the E twice. And then an A. And what do we got? An X and K. Alright. So that's A union B. Just join both those sets together. Just make sure we don't repeat elements. Now we're going to union that with C, and we can actually write this like this here. So E, just rewriting everything. A, X, K, and we're going to union that with C. And C is Jax, J-A, so that's almost a word, isn't it? Or a name or something, Jax. Okay. And of course, when you, let's see, what's repeating? Let's just write that down. A is repeating, X is repeating, but J is not repeating. So really what we got going on here is T, Q, E, A, X, K, no need in writing A again, or X again, and J. Right? But we want to make sure that we write this in up there in the box. We're going to write it in alphabetical order. However, that is the correct answer right there. Okay, but we need to write it in alphabetical order. So let's write it in alphabetical order. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Let's see. I think it'd be an E then, right? And you know, as we do this, I'm going to cross some stuff off. So A, and then we got E. Alright, okay. Probably just use the same color. AE, what's next here? That's the 11th, that's the 10th, right? 10th letter JK. 10, 11. I think it's going to be Q is 17. Letter T is 20. No. Let's see. I forget to write this, cross this stuff off. Q already got that, right? T and X, T and X. Okay, it's a little time consuming to do that, but, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that should be it right there. We're not going to hit, we're going to type all that in, but you can type it in if you want. We'll just check that with the answer there. So we got A, E, J, K, Q, T, and X. Okay, so there you go. All right, so come on by gotomath.com. See you there. Bye.